Nice.
Hi.
You know,
Yes.
before we start, you can always tell what the literage on a Datsun is because 280 stands for 2.8, 350 stands for 3.5, 370 is 3.7. Until the new
What?
400Z.
It's not 4.0?
Nope, it's a 3.8 or a 3.6. It's the only time ever they've gone off.
Why'd they do that?
I don't know. Anyway,
That
let's
will
go.
be discussed. Hi, I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera is Jake, and he's wearing green today. And today, we're talking about a 1979 Datsun 280ZX. 2.8 liters because it's a 280ZX, which means it's a 2.8 liter inline six. This, we believe, has 33,000 original miles on it. This is a heck of a car. Original paint, original interior.
And it's an automatic.
And it's an automatic, pretty well optioned too, I'll tell you. Beautiful car. I cannot wait to actually drive it.
I'm gonna pop that hood.
We should have popped the hood. Popping everything.
And then there's another latch right here in the middle, and it opens backwards.
Wow, the inline six, the original motor. Hasn't really been messed with. There was one owner until 2014. It's a really great little car, really is. It's a 79, it's just at the cusp. The disco age, just about to be over. Punk rock started. Love the way the hood opens. Love the way it closes. All steel, look at this. Great car, great wheels. Also has a trunk. It's a hatch. Look at the struts, aren't they nice?
Carpet.
Oh, it's blue.
And blue floor mats.
It's blue and silver.
When they got a Z on them, that's cool.
That is excellent. I like it. I like it a lot.
The struts work. That's awesome.
Very, very strong. This is a pretty highly optioned car for 79 to have rear window defogger and a little windshield wiper. Pretty impressive. We know it's got air conditioning, and we thank God every day it does. But it is a beautiful car. It needs a home. It really does.
Cloth interior.
Yeah, well, you know, it was 79. Come on. It's a 280. It's a ZX. It's 79, and we get to drive it. Come on, Jake, let's go.
All right.
Well, we didn't bring our 8-track, but we're okay.
Oh, I'll grab one.
You've lost your mind.
Aha. We'll go with this one. Put it in there.
Oh my gosh. You see, kids, 8-track players are funny things. You get crack-lacking on that at a later time.
How do you take it out?
Pull it. Could be the 8-track Pro, could be anything.
Well, we'll mess with it later.
We will. But what's important is we're in a 280ZX, a 79. And it's got working air. And honestly, it makes me happy as a clam. Happy as a clam.
Oh, and power windows. Let's not gloss over that.
Jake, I have something else to show you. Are you ready? Prepared to be amazed.
I'm amazed.
Your mirror.
Oh my goodness, is it power?
It is power.
Move it again.
Oh, I will.
Oh!
Thank you, 1979, for being so hip.
Power windows, power mirrors.
Here we go.
Oh, it's smooth.
It really is smooth. It is got 33,015 miles on this beautiful original 280Z. It was obviously garaged someplace perfect. I can't see any rust on it, not visible. We got a GoPro on it. It's a beautiful car.
GoPro not included.
GoPro is not included. Jake would get mad if I sold his GoPro with this 280ZX. He would be very upset with me.
All the gauges work, which is awesome.
Which is
You
also
got basically
rare.
just temp, fuel, tack, and speedometer.
But it doesn't have all the add-ons or anything crazy. It's all original. It's like a time capsule.
Cruise control.
I saw it and I'm amazed. Amazed. Rear window defogger, rear window windshield wiper.
And as you found earlier, there's a fader for the radio system right here.
Yes, there is. That's where all the speakers are at. Is that not something? It
Left, right,
isolates the
front, back.
speakers. It's cool. First, I thought it was a controller for those, but that is located right here by my handy-dandy cordless phone.
There's the mirrors down
It's
there.
incredible. It's got all kinds of stuff. You know what it doesn't have?
What?
It doesn't have cup holders, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's all right.
In 1979, we weren't about fluids as much as we are now. But if you want to take up smoking, we got an ashtray.
It's hip, it's new, it's fun.
It's hip, it's now. I came up with that one.
Get out! That is the dumbest idea you've ever had. You have had some doozies.
Blood pressure.
What is this guy up here?
Oh, it's a light.
I think it is a light.
Oh, it is. Look, it's a little, and it moves.
And you can move it around.
Okay, seriously, this car's got a lot of cool options.
Does the horn work? Oh, so you can press the middle or either of those two buttons.
And it's got AC.
And it works. It's actually really cold right now.
Thank goodness.
We're not
because
even blasting it and we're staying cool.
It's really got me now. It's got me so I don't know if I can sleep at night. Girl, you really got me now.
Keep your day job, Chris.
How dare you, madam? Wow, look at the nose rise as I just mash on it. I didn't mash on it, Jake. It's a beautiful car. I don't want to mess it up. I have respect for these old cars. I think they're a lot of fun. And this one is no exception. He's got to have some shade, and it's time.
Good old-fashioned startup.
Yeah, you're darn right. You said it. You got it before me. It's a 79 masterpiece, Jake. I really enjoy it. Why don't you drive it home?
Sounds good.